Okay, guys, we have left Clayton Hills Campground, which is between McGregor and Clayton, Iowa. Nice little campground, quiet. We didn't do much at all, trying to heal this ankle up, which it's getting a lot better. But now we're going to our first harvest toast. This is an Alpaca Farm, so we're just about there. I think I see it. Yep, there. I think you see it down there.
Wow, I don't know what all that was about.
Looked like he had a sprayer on the front of it. It's like a crop duster.
Oh.
Okay, check this out, you guys. They got a spraying crop dusting helicopter here. That is some precision flying there. Well, that's quite a welcome. Might have to walk a little closer to that later. Here we are, we're waiting for them to come out. We had to wait till 3 o'clock.
Right, she knows we're here, and she says there's a lot going on right now. And I said, well, we're watching the helicopter. She goes, okay.
Did you see him land?
No, unfortunately, I think the tower is
Pretty cool stuff. Beautiful farm. Look how close he is to that willow tree right there. Landing it on the trailer so they can lock it up for the night. Wow. Yeah, I might steal it.
You might have seen a lot of other videos on Harvest Host already, and a lot of RVers do use Harvest Host. But just so a quick rundown then, it's just Harvest Hosts are people that own farms, breweries, wineries, maybe a recreational kind of place, and they open their grounds to RVers to come in and stay overnight. It's basically just one night. There's no cost, but they just ask that you visit the store or the winery or whatever it may be, the produce, and just kind of pay back to the owners of the location.
Give them some business.
Give them some business, exactly. So yeah, just small, that small business person, and just giving them that business. So we are here at an Alpaca Farm, and they actually have a gift store, which I'm looking forward to seeing. I'm hoping to do some little Christmas shopping here. So we shall see, and we'll show pictures of what it's all about.
We're a little bit southwest of Lamont, not Lamont, Lamont, Iowa. I'll show you the alpacas here shortly. Okay, you guys, this is their little store that where they sell products that were made from their alpacas and other alpacas. Let's take a look.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. We come alive. Oh, we come alive.
Okay, now we're gonna go up and see the recently babies and mamas, recently born. Up here, a little bit of a hike. Got to go slow with my ankle, so I'll see you when I get there.
Probably David. Here. All right, so we made it to the top of this incline to go see the mamas and the babies. Let's see what they have here. There's the owner. Finn. Dinner time. Inquisitive. Oh, look at the little babies.
Beautiful farmstead. Look at the cliffs, the rock cliffs there. This they've made into living quarters.
It's one of the original buildings, 150 plus years.
1860, 1870, they think.
Pardon?
1860, 1870, they think some of these buildings were built. I'm gonna put their Facebook channel, Facebook page link, in the description if you want to purchase any. That is some quality stuff. This store should be in Scottsdale or Sedona.
High-end boutique, little store, nice,
Yeah.
good stuff.
Anyway, I wanted to show you this in here. They apparently a world famous alpaca stud resides in here. Oh. And I'm not sure, he's white. His name is Matrix. He's 18 years old, but apparently he has got a lineage, or the DNA. He sold back in his day as a stud for almost $600,000. All I know is he's white. They told us he was in here. His name is Matrix. Anybody go by that name in here? And apparently a lot of these alpacas, they'll just the ones with not much lineage will go for $20,000-$30,000, and It's for their fleece, just like sheep and wool. It's for their fleece. That's what the store has products with alpaca fleece.
And she was saying that a very high quality fleece will feel like cashmere. And she showed me some, and it does.
So, U-Matrix. This one sitting in front of the fans. Some white ones. Anyway, yeah, should we walk out? They're actually part of the camel family. Camelid, C-A-M-L-E-E-L-I-D, camelid. So they're a member of the camel family. And a llama is similar, but a llama is roughly twice the size of an alpaca. And llamas, you know, are used for packing, you know, hauling loads, and they'll protect other animals. You know, if a coyote comes in, a llama can be pretty mean, and they can get up to 400 pounds, where alpacas are typically, you know, up to 200 pounds. So you know, roughly a llama's twice as big. I'm still nursing my sprained ankle here, so I'm being careful where I step. So, beautiful farm. Very interesting. Look up alpacas and be sure and look up Mike and Julie's Facebook page and buy some. It's all cool stuff. On with the adventure.